perfect summer, a missing sister, and locals who just don't care. Hey thriller fanatics, welcome back. If you're anything like me, you love a good psychological thriller that drags you in, twists you around, and leaves you guessing until the very last second. And today, we're diving into The Summer Girl by a #1 best-selling author, an audible listen that promises to make your summer anything but relaxing. Imagine this. Your younger sister, Holly, heads off for a dreamy summer job on Martha's Vineyard, millionaire's playground, barefoot beach parties, flirting with rich kids. Sounds idyllic, right? Then silence. She stops answering your calls, your texts, which is totally unlike her. You get a weird message from her phone that the police say proves she's safe. But deep down, that message wasn't from her. So you pack your bags, hop on a plane, and land in this beautiful, sun-drenched island. Only to find out the locals, and even the police, seem utterly uninterested in helping you find her. This book is like peeling back the layers of a perfect, sun-kissed onion, only to find something rotten and festering beneath. Who are these rich, entitled kids? What are the locals protecting? And why does it all connect to another girl who vanished 5 years ago? For psychological thrillers, an audiobook can make or break the experience. And The Summer Girl on Audible? It absolutely makes it. The pacing, the shifts in perspective, it's crucial. You get alternating viewpoints, jumping between Claire, desperately searching for her sister, and Holly, back on the night she disappeared. This dual narration builds the suspense perfectly. One listener said they finished it in 12 hours. Couldn't put it down. That's the power of the audio format pulling you through. You can be cooking, driving, walking, and the story is just unfolding directly into your brain. The tension builds word by word, inflection by inflection. Now for the juicy part, the twists. Some thrillers hint at them, some telegraph them. This one, multiple listeners raved about being genuinely shocked. One review straight up said, "Whoa, has it been a long time since I've read a thriller and been so genuinely shocked by the twist. Never saw it coming, and it was both satisfying and a little controversial." That's the kind of ride you want. You might think you've figured it out halfway through, but this author will pull the rug out from under you. It's not just a missing girl case. It's a deep dive into the ugly underbelly of privilege, secrets, and the lengths people go to protect their own. The vivid descriptions of Martha's Vineyard are also a highlight. You'll feel like you're right there, walking the streets, feeling the summer sun, but with a constant chill running down your spine. If you're a fan of authors like Heidi Perks, Claire Douglas, or Lucy Clark, or just love a good summer suspense with dark undertones, this is absolutely for your TBR, to be read list. It's a fast-paced, character-driven mystery that keeps you on edge. However, a quick heads up, this is a psychological thriller, and it deals with sensitive themes. One reviewer explicitly mentioned a trigger warning for rape and sexual assault, so please be mindful of that before diving in. A small minority of listeners felt it started as a cozy beach mystery and didn't have enough thrills early on, but the majority agree that it ramps up significantly and the payoff is worth it. As one reviewer put it, the last 25% really had you so enthralled and was overall unexpected. Overall, The Summer Girl on Audible is a compelling listen. It grabs you with a familiar premise, missing girl, small-town secrets, but then weaves in layers of privilege, past disappearances, and shocking betrayals that will keep you glued. It's the perfect companion for a road trip, a day at the beach, or just when you want to escape into a thrilling mystery. If you're ready to dive into a summer mystery that's anything but relaxing, and you want to experience those twists as they unfold in real time, then the Audible version is the way to go. I've dropped the Amazon affiliate link for The Summer Girl on Audible right in the YouTube description below. Go click it, grab your copy, and let me know in the comments when you hit that big twist. Happy listening, and try not to trust anyone. Subscribe for more thriller reviews.